Howdy beautiful people, welcome to Sholz TV. We're going to be making some honey lemon salmon with carrots. This is a great light meal and it's absolutely delicious. Let's just go ahead and talk about our ingredients. I have here a bunch of rainbow carrots, about 7 of them, and I also have 2 salmon steaks. You can use fillet as well. I just prefer steaks because hey, I love everything with a bone in. I'm going to cook them with the skin on. So let's season some black pepper, some garlic, some lemon juice, and some red pepper flakes, which are optional, but I like it spicy. Also going to use some melted butter. Just rub that in, flip, and repeat. I also add a little bit of salt. If you're using salted butter, just be cautious of it. Now we're going to add some raw honey. I'm using about 2 tablespoons. Just pour that on top and rub it in. And then we're going to just let this sit and marinate while we get our carrots ready. So peel your carrots and cut them up in length sizes, or whatever size you want or prefer. I'm going lengthwise, about finger length sizes here. Not too chunky, not too thin. And we are done. So let's get to seasoning. Just a little bit of salt, some garlic, Mrs. Dash, and a drizzle of olive oil. These carrots are absolutely delicious on their own. So just a little bit, just to get more flavor in there. Now get your baking pan. Just pour your carrots on one side and your fish on the other. Go ahead and just bask your fish with the marinade. And we're going to put this in an oven, 350 degrees, for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the size of your fish. So after about 10 minutes, I'm going to put it on broil for another 3 minutes just to get the top browned. Wow, look at that. And that's it, guys. It's ready to go. This looks absolutely delicious, guys. Can't wait to munch it. Ooh. That's a big piece. I love salmon. If you love salmon as much as I do, let me know in the comments. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell so you're notified every time I post a video. Do try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comments below as well. This looks absolutely, I keep saying that, but yeah, it looks so delicious, guys. It's healthy, it's simple, it's nutritious. I even added some quinoa. Let's go ahead and taste this. This is so good. Let's go in the fish. It is so flavorful. Another thing is I like my fish well done. If you don't, cook it less to whatever level you desire. That's it for today, guys. And until next time, bye.